Welcome students and parents. It's a great pleasure and privilege for me to address you virtually along with your principal for a special program launched by Presidency University to honor the great educationists of the country. Your principal has been in the forefront of educational development not only in the city of Bangalore or in the state of Karnataka, but he has spread light of education all over the country. So it's a special occasion for us to meet him and greet him and also offer our obeisance to him as a guru. Through this program of Guru Samarpane, we want to acknowledge his contribution to the world of education. Now a few words about Presidency University. The university has been set up by Presidency Group of Institutions, which has been in the forefront of education over 4 decades. Presidency University offers cutting-edge programs in their disciplines of engineering, MBA, law, as well as other degree programs. We offer futuristic career options to our students to ensure that they have a great career ahead. At our university, we offer an excellent mix of academics as well as personality development programs and sports programs so that each of our students turn out to be great personalities. And when they complete their program in the university and come out into the job market, the potential employers look forward to them to come on board and start offering their services. So with these few words, I now request your principal to give his opinion. Over to you, sir.
So we know that the pandemic, what we had faced last year, troubled us a lot. So in this pandemic time, as a human community, we have come forward to execute whatever the goodness is. The most important point is, even though in this pandemic time, the Presidency University, they took an opportunity to identify good accommodations. They are felicitating them. So since the last 2 years, I have attended felicitation program. I was experienced great hospitality, and the situation what we had experienced there highly influencing us to achieve something in the educational field. So even though in this pandemic time they got time to identify people like us, and they came to our college and they are felicitating us. It's a great honor to us, and we are always thankful to Presidency University, which is rendering great service to the society, producing great engineers and amongst some better citizens to the country, whereas their educational institution is concerned. I thank Presidency University once again for their wonderful hospitality. They came here, they identified and they felicitated me. I am very thankful to Presidency University. We will always remember this, and it is a great identification. It will definitely motivate us to achieve a lot in the educational field. Once again, I thank Presidency University for this wonderful felicitation. Thank you.